So practically what happened. This is Simon alias the Nerd of Algorithms. I'll show myself. Uh, in order to authenticate. Yes, it's me. You can see it. There's not much to see. For a man, I mean a masculine man, more beautiful than a frog is already good. Okay. Let's pick up some lighting stuff, which is also a very interesting, how to say it, scent. As opposed to petrol-based lighting systems. By the way, do you see this? I get a closer picture. Moment, please. As I didn't have wire enough, I did like in the movie The Running Man, featuring Arnold Schwarzenegger. I did just realize that it was sufficient to take a piece of this stuff, which is used in beer industry, and pull it as strong as I can, and you have all the wire you need, and it's biodegradable. Look. Not enough, pull it more. And that scene in the movie is great, with Arnold killing Sub-Zero and then telling in front of the camera, "Hey Killian, now Sub-Zero is plain zero." Ha! Just one wire left. Done. Also, this is bodybuilding. And that was a solution, just improvise. But I just want to say that one can learn lots of things from movies, if they are good movies. Be it The Running Man or 2001: A Space Odyssey or whatever. But look, it all works. There was a terrible hurricane coming by, and it didn't manage to destroy the system because it's so solid. But it's also how to say it, flexible, manageable, versatile. Look, and it doesn't break down. And this is not wire, this is just fiber, which will degrade when into the ground. It's how to say it, lupolo, komlo in Hungarian stuff, which is generally containing beer, in order to give it a particular tastes. And it's here. This is the garden. Look how well it's fit. Here things are not yet grown, but here, yes. Look. And here is the wire system. And it's biodegradable. And thanks to biceps, which also Arnold Schwarzenegger has developed pretty well. I was able to pull down these plants and use it as wire. Well, this was Simon alias the Nerd of Algorithms, year 2023, August 2. End of record.